so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Hey YouTube, I got this in the mail today. No, not these nuts. But I got my motorcycle lights, basically so people can see me at night better. I don't feel like getting hit. I mean, they already do hit me as it is, and my bike is like a matte finish, so hopefully these lights will make it easier to spot me. So I can unbox. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can see where I got these from. I believe I paid like 48 bucks for them. Looks like they had good reviews, so I'm trying it out. There you go. Alright. So first thing I noticed, you got everything bundled up in one. Instructions. Those are always good, even though no one follows them. It looks pretty simple. Hook it up to your battery. Alright. So I should have, I think this is a 12 kit. Yeah, 12 piece. Looks like here's all the remotes and everything. This is what's going to hook up to the battery, I believe. This box right here. Got this on there. That's cool, it's like a little alarm. Lights up. This is what you're going to be hooking up to your battery. This plug in. I believe it's a ground. So, and this goes all to the LEDs. Pretty easy. Remote. Change different colors, different modes. Okay, all these LEDs are all attached to each other, or attached to an end. Just come in like this. Nice. These extensions. Okay, yeah, these look like the extensions. Nice. Sweet, sweet. I guess more adapter pieces. These are gonna be the wires, I guess. Looking for that one piece. Oh, connectors for your battery. Pretty nice. There we go. This is what I was looking for. So this end is going to connect to that plug. Then you're going to have a black and red wire, positive and your ground. This is going to hook up to the red side of your battery. This is going to hook up to a ground. Oh, it even comes with a nice toggle switch, so when you turn off your bike you can just turn it off when you need to. That way when you're riding in daytime you don't really need it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so now what I'm doing next, I'm going to start placing all the LEDs. So let's see where I'm aiming at. Alright, so we're going to be placing these now. So I'm going to start placing these from different spots and go from there. Alright YouTube, so now I got everything hooked up, all the wires and everything, but I'm going to show you how you take it apart so you can hook up your wiring and everything. So, let me turn my screen view. Okay. So you're going to want to pop this off first. So you're going to pop this part right here down, like that, and then just pull it forward. It's going to be Velcroed on, as you can see. There's Velcro, and there's Velcro on here. So once you take that off, you're going to expose a bolt right here. Alright, you see this? You can use the tool bag they gave you with your bike if you still have it. If not, it's just a regular Allen key. I'm not sure what size. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take off these bolts on each side. It's the same procedure for both sides for this part. with the bolts too. Anyways, so you're gonna expose your relays and everything, your battery, and this is how I have it connected. So when you get your light kit, whatever one you're using, it's gonna have a power wire. Make sure it has a fuse, just in case you don't want to have any fires or anything. Make sure it has a fuse. Blue wire, this one will hook up to your brake. I don't have it hooked up currently. And then ground is obviously to the ground. I have all the wires tucked in underneath the gas tank right here. I did not have to take this off, so don't worry about that. You don't gotta take that crap off. Anyways, so yeah, once you have all the wires right here hooked up, you're gonna have, as you can see, I got all these things following in. They go into here. This freaking camera's focus. Okay, all my wires are going in here. Then I have it traveling under here. It's going all the way up. And I have just the wires pushed in underneath this fairing. And then I got all the lights hooked up. I got like one strip right here, one strip right here. I believe I got a strip right here. Yeah, it's on the inside right here. Probably won't, yeah, you won't be able to see it, but wires going there. And I have the wires all hidden going through here, and then right here. Just following it all the way. And I got the back lights, of course, going all the way up. It's pretty simple to install. It's just trying to hide all the wires. And this is a sport bike, so there's not really any space to really hide them. I mean, yeah, I could probably tuck it inside the frame, but I don't want to take off the gas tank and all that crap. But yeah, I just gave you guys an update on my bike. My brother also actually just recently bought one. His is different though, it's a cruiser type. It's a Suzuki S40 Boulevard. It's a 652 cc. It's pretty comfortable, I actually like it. Focus, yeah. Oh, yeah. So now once you have everything hooked up, you're gonna want to make sure it works. So, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. I also put my toggle switch for this. My kit came with a toggle switch. I don't know about most of them, but okay, right there. See? So when I turn it on, as you can see, it's turning on. It should turn red, I think, or blue. So it'll turn on like that, so I can turn it off and on whenever I want. I just tuck it inside the fender sideways, and it stays in there pretty damn good, and it's hidden and out of the way, so you can't see it, which is nice. So I'll try to turn it on right here so you can see the light. Probably too bright out still, but we'll see. It does change colors. I don't have the remote on me, but it's pretty bright. I'll do a clip at when the sun's a little bit more down so you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. So here's a video of it on the bike. It's kind of hard to see. They work really nice though. Very bright. I still got two more I can hook up. I just don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but as of right now, it looks pretty good.